How do you like your new truck, buddy?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's pretty big.
It's pretty big?
It's pretty big. Just like yours and Mama's.
Well, tell me about it. Tell me about your truck.
Good. I got a little truck and a big truck.
You got a little truck and a big truck?
Yeah. I like my big truck.
You do?
This one works.
It does.
Because it got a battery.
It's got a battery.
That one doesn't.
Here, look this way. Tell me what you got in the back.
A golf club.
You got your golf clubs in the back?
Yes.
Where are you going to go?
I'm going to go to probably
Huh?
well, I'm get you a new truck. I'm gonna get you a new truck.
You going to go get me a new truck?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. All right. You going to put it in a different gear now?
No.
No?
I'm going to get you a new truck.
Oh, okay. Can you tell the camera bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
All right. Take care.